So hi there, welcome again to my channel, and I want to officially welcome you to this very community. So my name is Uhunoma Evans, and in this channel is all about business, influence, and impact. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button to stay connected to this community, because this channel is all about exclusive and mind-blowing content that will take your business and your finance to the next level. This video was a cropped out video from an original video which is called the top 6 online business you can start in 2022. The best 6 online business you can start in 2022. You can check the description down, or you check the cards behind this video or after this video to watch this video. Okay, so this video talk about the top 6 and the best 6 online business you can start today and make a lot of money for yourself. So this video is a cropped out video on that video. So this business happened to be one of the best business model in that video, so I have to crop this video out so that it can be easy for people to locate and understand what this business is all about. I believe you found value from this content. I believe this video explains everything you have to know about this business model. All right, with that said, please let's jump into this video and see you right back. Business model I'll be talking about is affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is you selling other people's product or service, and you get paid a commission for every successful sale or conversion. You don't need to create a product. You don't need to create a product or service. This is the same business model Amazon, Uber, and the likes practice. All you have to do is just to connect the buyer to the seller. It's more of you being a middleman here. So the language of affiliate marketing is traffic. All you need is to consistently drive traffic to your offers. So there are a lot of ways you can generate traffic. You can use free traffic or you can use paid traffic. All you have to do is just to drive traffic to that offer. So you don't need to you don't need a product. You don't need to have a product or service. Someone else have the product already. All you have to do is to recommend that product and get paid a commission. There are a lot of affiliate platforms you can enroll on. We have Clickbank, we have JBZoos, and the likes. And in Nigeria, we have Expertnia and Lenoflix. We also have fintech platform or companies you can also enroll as an affiliate marketer. We have Piggyvest. We also have email marketing platform. Okay, we have GetResponse and the likes. Okay, so we have Jumia's Konga, Amazon. You can easily be an affiliate for this platform. Affiliate marketing is a very big and wide business model you can start up today. So the next business. So thanks for watching this video. I believe this video was an eye-opener for you and you learned something valuable. Alright, so if you want to get the full content on the 6 best online business you can start here in 2022 and make a lot of money for yourself, please check the description down or check the card behind this video and watch the full video on the best 6 online business you can start today in 2022. Thanks for watching again, and my name is Uhunoma Evans. Subscribe to this channel to stay glued, because great and mind-blowing content will be coming your way very soon, and which you don't want to miss out. Subscribe and stay connected to this community, and I'll see you again. Bye for now.